My people, how on a day? I greet you now. Anywhere on a day, I hello now. I want to draw everybody attention to what they solve for area like this. A quick one, as I dey follow on the hand like this, area no good. Area no good at all. Kakaka. Just the me so that I feel see how I feel communicate. As I dey follow the hand, the bridge when e link Delta State and Bayelsa State. Not be say water cover the bridge, the road. Make people go the wait, say make the water dry, make them pass. So, omo water wash the road comot and turn the road to river. And the current condition of wetin dey play for area. I no wan even go into the army wey don full everywhere. Omo, e come dey be like say the water wey dey area na be like say na water wey dey get enemy because no know wetin we do this water when just dey burst everywhere like this. So things wey dey play for Patani, things wey dey play for Isoko, no even go there. No go there. No even talk go that side. Anambra, Kogi, Shai. Oh, but the water don cast everywhere. And I call it the reason I say, why we no dey even get media attention? Like say anything dey happen to us. Abi will be another kind of supernatural species. When we say na only we to dey sympathize with people, people no dey sympathize with us for this world. That one na long details, very, very long details. That is a very, very long details. Media coverage zero. Internationally, we just do one thing for them like say 70 people don't follow for Nigeria, rather than human being. Oh, but you see anything? We'll lock up that matter. I'm not gonna go into that jagabons. But as I dey follow you, the reason like this. Okay, no, they capsize for Anambra, but you know they see one saying Shengele, so they come outside. Everybody they watch, they go. Everybody they watch, they go. Patani like this, if you just say, man, carry my share, go keep for my brother upstairs. Before you go come back, your bed and your provision and your food stuff and your documents all soak for water. Ame Asaeji, Asaeji, as I dey follow you talk so. My only guy when he just buy Benz, say make he come enjoy, make he come prepare them for the pizza. As I dey follow you talk so na Patani the guy that they do video for the na Kenu na the my only nigga that they do selfie for the Patani when they say he won't call worry. Call the blessing and the Patani they worry. I bet Delta State government, federal government, international government, NATO, make una just keep war first. Make una attend to us. I beg. The thing don't rugged. You don't get the European Union, I beg. The small thing I want to say in Ukraine, when I just share small, just give us small. Make we tell you right. As I develop the talk now, the list of comfortability, I feel just say comport myself based on pumping level. As I develop the talk, my family for Patani, Bomadi, or Agadama, Ewu. Also, it's okay. Me go. Say carry on you. The rikiti katawe they say they run so. Now they run for that side. I'm not lie for you now. Since when you know me, I dey lie. I'm not dey lie normally now. If you don't boss, no, I say this not be caps. This not big cap lock. You don't boss for area. If you see what I tell you, you know, but you don't go feel am because now run you go dey run. If you know the tell person so what's past 2012 flood for Patani and Delta State too. It was so as in I just tell you because of say I don't feel no as I fit tell you make you understand. I don't feel you know I go fit tell you make you understand. If na pictures, you know me tell me say you never see the pictures and I never see the videos when they play for area. Area don't cast. e don progide. I say you no go believe your eye. You no go believe your eye. That's why they will follow you talk now. If they want you wrong, go make they just stay save their head. For your, you when you say your own community money no get use. Your own community, you got to find the way you want to save your life. Go on that person's community. I beg. Things don't happen, man. Things don't happen when we say not fit talk finish. Things don't happen. No. Area like this, you need help. Area need help. Okoa, I believe you. Deliver.
To pushing us. No way to movement to the road.
Just put
now the water side
deliver human beings.
All the
Human beings
area.
Deliver.
All the areas now water is now taking off.
Do something. Patani, if you not do something because of the full people where they are affected by the floods in all constituency in Nigeria, do something because of the people of Patani, Okowa. My governor, do something because of the people of Patani. You know now, constituent when the lawyer reach Patani constituent, they deliver back to back. You know regularly. If not be deliver because of other constituency, Okowa abeg deliver because of Patani. Do something. I know say you do a BJ like this, they do one or two straightforward based on your level when you want cash up, but abeg human beings their life they plug there for area like this. Abeg do something, boss. My governor, you me, the roadmaster, or you turn to lifesaver. Abeg, Portable, if you did that, make you help me beg my governor. My people for Patani, not be small thing that they face, my governor. I'm using Patani as point of contact because that's not my home. You understand? So, but the rest people, they need my governor as well. I beg. I say that you are the least. Nah, this so. Yeah, they are not good. We dey complain, no. Wahala come. I know wahala when you say that when you don't deserve the wahala, say they will just shine in one pipe, the water will just come out. It pass like that. The wahala in the gas, so it needs the reaction of a governmental standard. That's what they call on my principal governor. I beg. Oremi Owabiko. If we as I'm talking to you as I say bagalistic, nothing is going to forward, nothing is even going to backward. They are stuck. If helicopter they send. Rescue team send. That is the level we are in now. A national cry to good-hearted people of here and there, and people of the world. Biko, come to our rescue. Biko, this is family. Papa, she's grandpapa, grandmama, auntie, uncle. Now they suffer for water, so they suffer for water. You know, limited time in water take everywhere. It go back, it go go. Now water don't take over for us. I beg, my governor. Be cool. I beg. Do something, I beg. I believe you, Koa. I believe you. All the governor for the rest state, I beg. We're gonna activate emergency plan. I beg. Mingo, I beg. We're gonna activate emergency plan for us. I beg. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. My governors, thank you. Thank you, I beg. Presido, thank you. I beg NATO and all the AIDS and USAID and UN, I beg. Don't turn a blind eye. I know that you are doing a lot with what is happening in Europe and the US, but don't turn a blind eye. Biko, this one pass man. If now fit call on our governor, his name now Okowa governor, if find Okowa, Ekweme the roadmaster, now the lifesaver, you gonna put them on call beg. Patani people as the volley you talk to, you know, they run. You know if you believe what, just come see with your eye, you know go believe. I beg.